In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Uber ride history and receipts. Whether you're keeping track for budgeting purposes or you just want a record of your fares, knowing how to access your ride history is quite handy. So, let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Uber's official website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in with your account. If you're not signed in yet, simply enter your credentials to get started. As a small tip, it's a good idea to use a computer for this process since we're accessing features that are more desktop friendly. Now, once you're on the Uber homepage, you'll notice your profile icon typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, from settings to payment options and more. Within that menu, look for an option labeled Activity. Clicking on Activity will direct you to a section dedicated to your Uber trip history. It's really where all the magic happens as it provides a comprehensive list of all your past rides. Once you're on the activity page, you might see a display message indicating there are no trips, especially if you haven't used Uber recently or this is a new account. However, if you've been an active Uber user, you'll find a historical list of all your past rides laid out for you. On this page, there's a handy drop-down menu that allows you to filter your trips. You can sort them by different criteria or specific time frames, which is really convenient if you're looking for a particular ride or need to revisit a trip you took months ago. Lastly, for each trip, you'll be able to click and see more details, including the receipt of that particular ride. This includes information such as route maps, fare breakdowns, and any notes associated with the trip. You can even review the receipt for business or personal records and ensure all the charges are correct. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you can access your full Uber ride history and individual trip receipts. Whether you're keeping tabs on your spending or need records for an expense report, Uber makes it quite straightforward to access and manage your past trips. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies the process for you. Thanks for watching and happy riding.